Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. All right, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Then select Account Center. In Account Center, scroll down and tap Personal Details. Then choose Account Ownership and Control. From here, tap Deactivation or Deletion. You'll now see a list of accounts linked to your Instagram. Tap your username to continue. Next, select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to confirm your identity, so enter your password when prompted. Once confirmed, your account will be temporarily deactivated. You can always reactivate it later by simply logging back in. So that's basically how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. That's it for this video. Thanks.